In front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by accessing tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is disabled. To enable it, tap on the same tile again. You can also go into settings and scroll down to access location section. Then tap on this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!